Oh yeah, I know. So fam, won't have too much time because it's thundering, lightning a little bit. So hopefully the rain pass over and it don't rain. So we'll do a little evening fishing, me and the boys.
What's up, fam?
Get out here and see we could get the footage. And I get back at y'all when we're locking low in the water, fam. Later. Alright, fam. As soon as I cut the camera off, came out of nowhere. So we're gonna sit in a minute and see. See if it's gonna slack up. See if it slack up a little bit. We got out here and fish. I just bought some minnows. I was trying to get an hour in, at least an hour, with the boys. Alright, fam, get back with you. Alright, fam, we did the weight thing. So, you see the sun. You know what time it is. Time to get on out here and get them. Yeah. Get back at you. Alright, fam, we done made it out here. Fishing up in fishing up in this greenery. I'm fishing in the green, but on the kind of like on the outskirts of it. It's thick over there, so I ain't gonna go over there. But we gonna fish in here. We see them feeding up in here. I'm gonna try our luck in here and see if we can make it do what it do, fam. So get back at you in a second. Alright, fam, been out here about half an hour fishing anyway. They feeding. Can't tell what it is feeding. So we got minnows and haven't had a hit yet. And I made the #1 mistake around this time of year. Bring worms. Also, you gotta have your jigs, you gotta have your worms, you gotta have your minnows. You know, whether it's the soft plastic, the hand ties, whatever you use, you're supposed to be prepared. And I'm lacking one. I'm one short, so I don't have any jigs for brim. And we ain't gonna give up. Even if we catch 1 or 2, I'm satisfied with that. But as you can see, we don't have much sun left. It'll be darkening a little bit. So alright, fam, I'll get back at y'all. Hopefully I've been caught something next time I log on. Alright, fam, that's it. Me and the boys give it a try. Did the evening fishing when it's not so hot. We may give it a shot tomorrow, or we may not. I got something to take care of, and if anything change, we'll be back out. Probably not here, but somewhere else tomorrow. And fam, y'all enjoy the rest of your Saturday. God bless. Deuces.